In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace a fog lamp bulb on a Jeep Cherokee, which is located behind the front bumper. You want to raise and support your vehicle safely. You want to take out these 5 19mm bolts. I'm going to put this back in by hand a little bit so the wheel doesn't fall off when you take that 5th one out. After you remove your wheel, you can have a series of bolts and clips. You have an 8mm here, in here. You have a clip here, in here, and you have one 10mm bolt there. You need to remove them all. Now you have your clip up top next to your strut. These are 2-piece. They will come out obviously in 2 pieces. There's your first piece. There's your second piece. Same thing here. Take your center out. Take your 10mm bolt on the bottom off. Take your splash shield, pull it down. Here's your fog lamp bulb. It's got 2 tabs. You want to just push those together. Pull straight out. You have your clip, push down, and there's your bulb. Before you reinsert your bulb, you want to check your connector, make sure it's not green or corroded or your wire's broken, which this one is good. You want to take your new bulb, put it into your connector, wait for that click, put it in your holder, wait for that click. At this point, you want to hop in that driver's seat, turn your key on, check your fog lamps. If they work, shut them off, come back down, put your wheel liner on, put your wheel back on, and you're good to go. Take the front side of your wheel liner, tuck it up inside your fender, put your clips back on. And for your reinstall, line up your holes, put these in by hand so you don't cross thread. And give them a snug. Now that we have our wheels back on the ground, we're going to torque these at 100 foot-pounds in a crisscross manner. And you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.